Hello everyone, today we are going to solve find minimum in rotated sorted array. Suppose an array sorted in ascending order is rotated at some pivot unknown to you beforehand, and we have to find out the minimum. And the example is that this one rotated array, and we have to find out the minimum, which is 1. And let's see my example. This is the original array, and this one is rotated 1 number, 2 number, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. So the first thing we have to do to solve this question is make sure that this array is the original array or rotated array. So as long as the last number is bigger than first number, it means that it's the original array. So we just return the first one, because you can see that this one is smaller. Smaller, 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 smaller. And then, okay. And because it's a sorted array, we can leverage binary search. So binary search, and we use this as an example. Okay, we can plug the graph here. Okay, so we start from 1, right, to 7, and suddenly drop to 0. Right? Because we use binary search, we just divide it in half. And we will see that as long as the right value is smaller than the middle value, it means that the minimum is in the right area. We can see this as another example: 2 to 7, drop to 0, climb to 1, divided in half. And as long as the right value is smaller than the middle value, means that our minimum is in the right area. And let's see this as another example: 6 to 7, drop to 0, and climb to 5. Okay. Divided in half. Right? In this case, the right value is bigger than the middle value. It means opposite. We have to find our minimum from the left area. And that's our approach to solve this problem. And let's see the code in action. So we have to check the edge cases. If none is 0, or none is nil, we just return -1. Then we have to check whether or not it's an original array or a sorted array. So as long as the last number is bigger than the first number, it means that it's the original array. We just return the first number. And then we have to leverage binary search. Right. And here I will use left +1, smaller than right. Okay. So that I won't out of boundary. The code won't out of boundary. In the middle, let's find the middle first. Okay, we have the middle index. And then we have to check whether or not the right value, right, is smaller than the middle value. So as long as the right value is smaller than the middle value, it means that we have to find out from the right. So we just move our left index. Else means that our right value is bigger than the middle value. Then we just move our right index, because we have to find from the left. After we break this for loop, we will have two index, left and right. Maybe they will point to something here. One of them will definitely point to the smallest number, the minimum. So we just check their, just compare them. Okay. If left is bigger than the right, we just return right. And then else we just return left. term. And the time complexity for this algorithm is logn, because binary search and the space complexity is all one, because we don't use any extra space. So let's see. Okay, it's correct. Submit. Okay, something wrong. Let's see. What's the problem? Output 1, expect 0. Oh, sorry. Something wrong. I have to update this. M, not 0. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching.